Alright, we made it. Everything's together. Got to pull up on a pad here and check them out. Oops. Wouldn't want to go that fast. Let's go. Speed set 2. Very nice. Let's see, we'll let him take a little trip. Very quiet, smooth operation. Let's bring him back. I did give him a little, he can go kind of fast. And I set the deceleration to 0 because he's got these flywheels on him. He can go slow, and he can go a little faster. I should probably turn that top speed down just, or that. I should probably turn down the minimum speed because he does take off a little bit. All right, let's put a shell on, and then we're going to take him over to the yard and test him. Okay, during reassembly, that's having a little trouble with the fuel tank. They're like, oh, it must be on backwards or something because there's this notch right here that's got to fit down in the space on the fuel tank right there. That is when I discovered that I wired this thing totally backwards. This is the front, not this. And how you know that is the cab can't sit on top of here. Alright, it's already done and everything works and everything, so I'm just going to leave it alone. And it'll be just fine. I'll just reprogram it to run the other way. And then we're going to reinstall the couplers here. So when the shell is all the way down in here, those couplers, those pads there, line up with that and they make a hole you can see through. And when they do, you can put in the couplers, which we'll do in a little bit. And next up will be the final reveal. And I did drop back that first speed step, so now it's got a little slower speed and doesn't jump off right away. So there we go. Let's take it over the test track.